I'm gonna be playing Minecraft with a special block. As you might be able to see, I got new headphones with this little thingamabob. Well, a mic, but now I am going to get onto Minecraft, and you may recognize this block. It's a very popular block. Sorry, I had to move that for just a second. What did I do with what did I do? What? I'll be just a second. Sorry about that. Okay. I am sorry about that. That was just a quick little mistake. In just a second, I'm gonna have to move it. I'm just gonna move it to the side right now. Oh, it's coming. Oh, great. I need to fix it again. 1 second. Okay. I've already played around with the special block. I have Thanos' Infinity Gauntlet. It's not a mod. And if you want proof, I can show you. Oh, there's a computer for some reason. I forgot about this. Ignore that. What did I just do? I killed everything. Just ignore that. Look. The Infinity Gauntlet. So the way you get this is you just type in you get the super long code in. Boom. Yes, I know. Get something related to redstone on it. Look at this. I've already done this once, so I have basically everything I need. So first you need to get 6 infinity stones. 1 second. I'll just do a different one. Hey, Thanos! Thanos! I just killed Thanos. That's very funny that I just killed Thanos. With the power of the Power Stone. Oh, I was about to say, why did that squid survive? Survive. 1 second, I'm gonna go find it. Okay, everybody. So I just found the command I was looking for. Okay, that's done. What? What did I do? What? What? Herobrine? 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 Why are there these pumpkins here? Just ignore the weird command block computer. Why, when I press this, it says Herobrine joined the game? What? If this one says that... Wait. Why does this just spawn Thanos? I said no to Thanos. Okay, since I really don't know what to do, I'm just gonna simply Power Stone. Okay. That kills everything. Wait. This should kill everything. Okay, so let's test this once more. Yes. What? I was pranking ya! Yeah! Sorry if that was loud. Yeah, this mic's very sensitive. Do you hear that? Yeah. I'm sorry about no sound. I really need to get the premium trial for this. Okay, let me actually find one that's worth my time. Okay, I found one worth my time. You will find out what this is in just a second. Yes? It's a very big command. I could literally go through all of this in one video, which is about 15 minutes. If I, oh, if I just found, yes, done. Boom. What in the world? This is supposed to spawn with a storm. Why? Let me go find another. Okay, so I am about to get one I know works because I've used it before. It's a very big one. Look at what it does. One second, still loading in. Ignore that, but look at this. It's loading up at a very immense speed. What? Not loading anymore. Hmm. It's. How about I make multiples? Actually, I wonder what would happen. Let's find out. Look, I have so many command blocks. I'm actually surprised that it drops. Yeah, I've used this before, trust me. It's not as impressive as it sounded. Hey, Dogzilla. Sorry, my dog. Eh. So I'm gonna try spawning some animals. Fine, Dogzilla is just annoying me right now. Okay, ready? Llama is spawning. That's a llama. So, actually, let's see how I'm gonna spawn in a bunch of llamas. I wonder if that's the best. I can't remember if songs so aggressive. I'm gonna use the infinity gun that I have from the beginning. Cause really I'm not gonna kill them all. I'm gonna look at all those hoods. I'm not hacking this. This is just from a command. This is just a command. Ready? Alright, I forgot that first now. Give me one. Guys, you spit. If you haven't seen Infinity War, this might be slight spoilers, I'm done. Half of all living creatures will be dead. Killing me. Hey, just thought that the audio was bad. My dog unplugged my headset. Okay, there we go. That might have been soundless for a little bit. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Where is it? Where is it? Come on, be a giant. Come on, giant redstone tower. Giant redstone tower. Bam, 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 bam. That's just more for this. Wait, I lost my infinity gauntlet. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna have to end this here. Wait, actually, let's try blowing up some junk. I'm just gonna go get something really amazing loaded up. Okay, so now I'm gonna be playing on something called the Technic launcher. The giant bench. That's because of the Technic launcher. Wait, actually, time clickers. Wait, should I? No, I don't want to see how to. I'm gonna play a very simple game called Simple Planes. I had to fix the face cam. It's launching Simple Planes. Oh, and a little bit, if I get the chance, I'll play on DOSBox. I may make a video on it. DOSBox is just an emulator, for an old computer system called DOS. It's actually really fun. So, yeah, you should try DOS. Well, I may try doing DOSBox. Just ignore that flaming pile of stuff. I remember, this plane I have to be very careful with. I really have to hold down until I'm at the right speed. No, 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 no! All right, I have to slowly turn it up. You know what? I'm just gonna pull out one of my favorite things. This I call War Machine. You make it Y in just a second. I know,